Hello. Today I'm gonna presentation what is computer and hardware. So let's go. First, what is computer? Computer is an electric device process that it takes input, process it, and gives the output. Connects. Basic function of computer is uh, in input. They examine keyboard, mouse, uh, in process like CPU. In output is uh, example monitor and printer. In storage, hard disk, SSD, flash disk. I don't know, flash disk. Uh, Output like um I suggest in output. History of computer. Uh, First generation is vac- vacuum tubes in here, like uh 30, 50 to 70. Uh, in two generation is transistor. Transistor is like one 1970 to 1990. Third generation is integrated circuit, like uh to 1919 to 20 in like this integrated circuit. Fourth gen is microprocessor in 20 to 2010 until now. Okay, next type of computer is desktop, laptop, tablet, and smartphone. In this picture, uh, example in this picture, like desktop, laptop, tablet, and smartphone. Okay, next, importance of computer is for communication. Example, WhatsApp, Facebook, or um, communication in Twitter, Telegram. Yeah, apa? Sorry, sorry. Can communicate from this application. For learning is YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. It can be for research or learning. For work is LinkedIn, I guess. I I know in LinkedIn for work data processing. For entertain games, movies, whatever like Mobile Legend or anything. Okay, next, computer of component of a computer is like in this picture. Sorry, hardware, physical parts. Uh, um, we gonna um discuss hardware in next slide. Uh, example Next example is software programs, input output device, system unit, and storage device. Like uh, um in this picture, example in this picture, like monitor, speaker, and output, input, output. Okay, next, how computer work. CPU does processing data, RAM storage temporary data to CPU, hard drive store files to CPU, hard drive, output shown on the screen, information shown on the screen. Okay, next. Advantage of the computer is speed and accuracy, autom- automation and multitasking, connectivity and information access. Conclusion is computers are powerful tools. They are used in almost every area of life. Now, knowing how computer work is very useful. Okay, understanding computer hardware. Now, what is hardware? Hardware is physical in the computer. It can be touched and seen. Example monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, and anything in the computer you can see and touch. Um, sorry. Category categories of hardware: input device, output device, processing device, storage device. Okay, hardware is input device. Um, Example is mouse, keyboard, scanner, joystick, and webcam. Output device is monitor, speaker, printer, projector. Processing device is the CPU, central processing unit. Storage device is pen drive, hard disk, memory card, floppy disk, DVD, and RAM. Okay, next. Input device is device used to enter data. Example to slide before slide this slide. Input device. So in oh sorry, this is output. Show result and you result to user. Example monitor, printer, and speaker. Okay, next. Processing unit unit device. Example CPU, brain of the computer. GPU is handles graphic and image. Motherboard is the main printed circuit board. Network card, network card, uh, electronic device that connect computer to network. Sound card is to sound for the computer. Video card is for the video of the computer. Okay, next. Storage device is save data and files. The types is HDD, HDD, SSD, flash drive, internal versus external storage. Example in this picture: optical CD, DVD, byte, flash memory, SSD, flash memory, SSD, and HDD. Okay, next, motherboard and port. Connect all the component. Function of the motherboard and port: connect all the components and common ports. Is example USB, HDMI, Ethernet, SD45, DVI, and parallel port. Example in this picture: parallel port, uh, HDMI, SD45, and DVI. Okay, next. Peripheral device is like I don't know. It's like it's additional component, external hardware to add function. Example webcam, external hard drive, and game control like that, like additional for games and camera. Okay, conclusion for hardware is Hardware is essential for computer function. It includes a basic part. Understanding hardware help us use computer better. Thank you for the listening.